If you are editing a video in Premiere Pro and want to combine several clips into one sequence clip, you can use the nesting technique. Nesting clips in Premiere Pro, sometimes needed when editing videos for a project. For example, in a case like this. When I want to add a transition between two clips, sometimes the transition effect is only applied to one clip, not in the middle between two clips. If you encounter something like that, then we have to do nesting clips. As an example, I'll be nesting a few clips. Select the clips first. Right-click on the selected clips, and then select Nest. In that window, we can give the nested sequence a name. The process of nesting clips has been successful. I'll try adding a transition. And the result, transition effects can be inserted between two clips. If we have problems and want to return the clips as before, we can undo them by pressing Ctrl+Z. But however, sometimes this method doesn't work. Another way to nest clips, double-click on the nested sequence. After entering nested sequence mode, select clips. Press Ctrl+C to copy them, and then return to the main sequence mode of the project. In order not to overwrite the existing clip in the main sequence, placing the cursor line in an empty area, and then press Ctrl+V to paste the clips, and now those clips have been copied from the nested sequence. We can delete it if the nested sequence is no longer needed. If you want to duplicate a nested sequence, we only need to hold down the Alt key while moving the cursor up or sideways. That's how to do nesting clips, and how to nest the nested sequence in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching, and see you in another tutorial.